Hi, I'm Brittnie Duff, nurse practitioner at Pathway Pediatrics. Correct car seat use is vital for keeping children safe. So let's go over a few quick tips on car seat safety. The safest place for any child under 13 is in the back seat, regardless of height or weight. The Alabama law requires that children under the age of 1 or less than 20 pounds be rear facing. However, the American Academy of Pediatrics recommends remaining rear-facing until they outgrow the car seat manufacturer height and weight limit. This is usually around the age of 2. Once forward-facing, children should remain in a 5-point harness until 5 years older or over 40 pounds. Until age 6, children must be in a booster seat. Ensure that all harnesses and straps fit snugly and the chest clips are aligned with the top of the child's armpits. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation to ensure the seat is properly secured. Finally, do not use a car seat that has been in a crash, has been recalled, or is past the listed expiration date or 6 years from the manufacturer date. Click the link below for more information from our website at pathwaypeds.com. Safe travels, friends.